I'm gonna show you how to check your leaderboards on Axiom Trade. So to get started, go to the website of Trader Axiom, and then from here you'll have to sign into your account. So to check the leaderboards, you have to click on the upper pane right here, which named Vision, and then click on Vision. Once you click on Vision, you will be redirected to a page, and from here you can see all the leaderboards from KOL, Global, your wallets, and then your tracked wallets. So from here you can see all the call first. You will see all their PNLs, of course, their checks, and then you can see the global leaderboards right here from top 1 traders to the lowest. Also, you can check the PNL USD via PNL USD, or you can view whatever your reference or you want to check the leaderboards from. Also, you can check your wallets. If you added a wallet here, you can add wallets by doing it on add wallets, and then also you can track all the leaderboards of the track wallets, of course. So in global, you can see all the PNLs, the percentage of their trades, and that's it. That's how to check leaderboards on Axiom Trade.